Your DNA that makes you who you are is constantly under attack. From harsh UV ray to toxic chemical, and even in every cellular processes, thousands of breaks and mutations occur inside your cells. In today's video, we will uncover what is DNA damage and how it happens and what makes it one of the biggest threats to life at the molecular level. So if you love uncovering the hidden story of biology, make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel BioExplorer and watch the video till the end, because the truth behind DNA damage is more shocking than you ever imagined. So let's start the video. So basically DNA damage occurred in the two ways. One is mutation, which introduce the permanent changes in the DNA, and another is chemical alteration, that is some chemical which alter the DNA, which prevents its use as a template for replication and transcription. So in standard base pairing, we see that A paired with T and G paired with C, or vice versa. But when DNA damage occurs, abnormal base pairing is seen. So after DNA damage, the abnormal base pair was thymine paired with guanine and cytosine paired with adenine. Various environmental factors and endogenous agents are responsible for makes this change. Damage of DNA can be both chemical and structural, resulting in mutation which have harmful effects on normal growth and development of an organism. So here we discuss the first way of the DNA damage, that is the nature of mutation. So here DNA base chain substitutions occur via the replication error. There are two types of substitution what found, that is transition and transversion. We know that there are two purine bases and pyrimidine bases of DNA. That is, the purine bases are adenine and guanine. In the another way, pyrimidine bases are thymine and cytosine. And the substitution occurred between the purine and purine, or pyrimidine and pyrimidine, that is called the transition. In the another way, when substitution occurred purine to pyrimidine or pyrimidine to purine, which was called the transversion. In the another way, the extensive insertion and deletion and gross rearrangement of chromosome structure was found. Such changes might be caused by the insertion of a transposon, which was also called the jumping gene. So this is the another topic of the molecular biology, which was called the transposable element, which I discussed in the later videos. DNA damage also occurred by base modification. This base modification occurred by spontaneously from hydrolysis and deamination of the bases. The most frequent and important kind of hydrolytic damage is deamination of the base cytosine. Under normal physiological conditions, cytosine undergoes spontaneous deamination, producing uracil. Adenine and guanine are also subject to spontaneous deamination, which converts hypoxanthine and xanthine. DNA also undergoes depurination by spontaneous hydrolysis of the N-glycoside linkage, and this produces an abasic site in the DNA. Some alkylating agents like nitrosamines, N-methyl, N1-nitro, nitroguanidine reacts with the methyl and ethyl group of the bases. The cis position of the guanine alkylates by nitrosamines or another alkylating agents, producing O6-methyl guanine, which mispairs with thymine, resulting in the change of the GC base pair into the AT or adenine thymine base pair. Oxidation of guanine generates oxoguanine, which was highly mutagenic because it can base pair with adenine. So abnormal base pair also found. Here guanine paired with adenine. UV ray is strongly absorbed by the bases, which creates photochemical fusion of two pyrimidines or pyrimidine. In the case of thymine, thymine dimer is produced, or thymine dimer is formed by producing a cyclobutane ring. In the case of thymine adjacent to cytosine, the resulting fusion also occurs, which produces the thymine and cytosine. The mutations or DNA damage also caused by base analogs or some intercalating agent. So first of all, what is base analogs? Base analogs are the structurally similar to that nucleotide bases but differ in ways that make them can be harmful to the cell. Like 5-bromouracil is the base analog which paired with guanine. So this is called the base analog. Intercalating agents are the flat molecule containing several polycyclic rings that bind to the equally flat purine and pyrimidine bases of DNA. So some intercalating agents like proflavin, acridine orange and ethidium cause the deletion and addition of the base pair or even a few base pairs. So this is the summary of the DNA damaging agents. So here we see that basically DNA damage occurs some chemical mutagen and also radiation. Chemical mutagens are classified into 4 groups, that is base analogs, chemicals that alter DNA structure and bases, intercalating agents and agents which alter DNA backbone structure. Example is psoralen and peroxidase. And in the another way, radiation like ionizing radiation and non-ionizing radiation also causes the DNA damage. So in non-ionizing radiation, UV radiation causes oxidative damage via production of reactive oxygen species and by pyrimidine dimer. So this is the all over the summary of DNA damage. So if you like the video or like the topic, kindly share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for quicker notification. Stay tuned. Thank you.